This video is for the 5th grade website project assignment 1. First, you're going to go to weebly.com, then you're going to click sign up in the top right corner. From here, what you'll do is click on continue with Google. Next, you'll click on your account. And then click on I just need a website. Then what you're going to do is click on Other and click on Modern and Elegant. If you see Modern and Elegant right away, then you don't have to bother clicking Other. And then you're going to click Start Editing up at the top. Okay, now what you're going to do is type in a domain name. So basically what you're going to do is you can do something like the name of your location. So for example, I'm doing Freedom Trail. You can use dashes, but no other special characters. Since Freedom Trail is probably taken, I'm just going to do, for example, Freedom Trail 2019. And then go ahead and hit search. And since it's available, what I'm going to do is click on the bottom choose button. You have to click the bottom one because the other ones cost money. And then click on done. Okay, next we're going to add our partners and editors. So click on settings and then click on editors and then click on add editor. And then you're going to type in your partner's email address. Just make sure that you put the year of graduation and then hanoverstudents.org. Otherwise, they won't receive it. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. And then you're going to click on Save Editor. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Pages up at the top. And you're going to delete some of these extra pages. So we're going to click on where it says Home. Then you're going to click on where it says Delete. And click on delete. Then you're going to click on where it says about, click on delete, click on delete. Next, click on blog, click on delete, click on delete. And then finally, click on contact, click on delete, click on delete. Next, you're going to click the shop page. We're going to change it a little bit. Where it says page name, we're going to erase where it says shop, and we're going to type in the name of your location. So I happen to be doing my website about the Freedom Trail. Then you're going to click where it says no header and change it to say header. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to click on build at the top. So we're going to start building our website. We're going to rest your pointer over where it says my site. We're going to turn that off. So click on off. Then where it says click here to edit, you're going to click and again type in the name of your location. So in my case, Freedom Trail. Then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down past that picture. You're going to notice like a little faded picture down here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on it and then you should see an X in the top right corner of it. You should click on that X and then hit delete. Then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to add a text box instead. So we're going to click and drag the text box to go in this white space. And so then from here, what we're going to do is open up a new tab and we're going to go to Google Drive. And from here, you're going to open up your Avoiding Plagiarism assignment from last class. So you click up where it says Search Drive and then type in the words, let me just exit out of this, Avoiding Plagiarism. And what should happen is your assignment should pop up and it should be the one that has both your name and your partner's name on it. So if more than one pops up, make sure it's the one with both of your names. What you're going to do next is you're going to click in the first copied and pasted sentence and then hit tab on your keyboard. What that does is it highlights your own version. And so then you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. You're going to click back over to Weebly, then click where it says click here to edit, and then you're going to click on the bullet button, which is this 3 dots and 3 lines. Click on that, and then hit Control V on your keyboard, and that's going to paste your sentence. You're then going to hit Enter on your keyboard to add another bullet. From here, you'll click back over to the Avoiding Plagiarism assignment. This should still be highlighted. You're going to hit Tab 2 times. That's going to highlight your second fact, and then hit Control C on your keyboard. Click back over to Weebly, and then click Control V on your keyboard, so that pasted the second one. Hit Enter to get another bullet. And then finally click back over to your work, and then hit the Tab key twice. Now your third fact should be highlighted. You're going to hit Control C on your keyboard, click back over to Weebly, and then hit Control V on your keyboard. So now we have all 3 sentences of the your version about the Freedom Trail. Then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to change the picture up at the top. So I'm just going to go ahead, open up a new tab, and I'm going to type in Freedom Trail, and then click on Images so that I can bring up some images that have to do with the Freedom Trail. So let's say, for example, I want to use this image right here. I'm just going to click on it, and then what I'll do is click on this version here with 2 fingers. So 2-finger click with your fingers apart. You're going to choose Save Image As. Then from here, what you're going to do is click on Google Drive and then click on Save. So now the picture will be saved in your Google Drive account. So you're going to click back over to Weebly. You're going to click on the image that's there, which is like the random plant and the artwork here. So you're just going to click on that, and then you're going to see Edit Background appear underneath it. You're going to click that and then click on Replace. Then what you'll do is you'll click on Upload a Photo from your computer, and you should be able to get the photo that you just saved if you click on Google Drive. So there's the photo that I just saved. So I'm going to click on that and then click on Open. Okay, so now you have the option as far as if you want to move it around. So for example, I'm going to kind of center it so that the Freedom Trail seal is right in the middle. So you can kind of click and drag. Also, you have the option, if it's difficult to read the text, you have the darken feature where you can darken the picture. So if you click on that, it brings up this little handle. So I'm just going to make it a little bit darker, maybe like 40%, so we can read the text a little better, so we can see it much better now, more clear. And then click on Save. And then finally, you also have the option to make your picture smaller or larger. So if you click on it here, it comes up with this little dot, and you can click and drag it to make it smaller, larger, whatever you want to do. Anyway, that's it.